question number, this next question. What is in this? Here we have cube network. Each side contains 24 ohm resistor and additional 12 ohm resistors along each phase diagonal. Okay, so how is it there? 24 ohm resistor and an additional 12 ohm resistor along phase diagonal. So you understood the difference between the phase diagonal resistors and these phase diagonals are different ones.
12 ohms.
These are 12 ohm. And they are not connected with each other at the midpoint, I think so.
Only corners.
Only corners. So therefore I am doing it like this. And the other ones are different. Now point is, what is the net resistance? Is there any across body diagonal?
Not given, sir.
No, sir.
Not there. What is the equivalent resistance between two terminals connecting a phase diagonal? So we can connect this place and maybe this place here, A and B. What would be between these? I think I can take a mirror passing through this. Can I? And there will be corresponding object and image resistances. In which, what I will be getting there? I will be getting that the object and the image nodes will be at same potential. Object potential, image potential. Object potential and image potential will be equal. Because the potentials on the mirror will not be equal, then object and the image potential will be equal. So I am placing a mirror in this way. This is a mirror.
Yes, sir.
So when that happens, then the resistances connected between those will be quickly removable. We can remove those resistances.
So you are placing mirror phase diagonal, sir.
Yes, I am placing the mirror in the phase diagonal. Let me make it in 3 dimension.
Body diagonal, sir.
Body diagonal.
Across AB, sir.
Across AB, yes. Across AB I am keeping.
Then it is body diagonal.
AB is not body diagonal. What are you doing? What? This B is itself the point here, at this point. We had to find across the phase diagonal or not. I had chosen B point as the point along the phase diagonal only. This is not the opposite corner point.
Plus and minus 2.
You notice that this B is connected to this point or not?
So minus where did we keep the
This point here, this. Where we have kept minus sign, that is B point.
Okay.
Let me make it in 3 dimensions to understand it better.
So before question answer is 8 by 3, sir.
That I don't know answer is 8 by 3 or not.
I
Which
checked
question
it out. I checked it out, sir.
you checked already?
So right on I am ready.
Very good, very nice, very nice, very nice. By same procedure,
Yes, sir,
Then-
same procedure.
I think you know already that this resistance will, okay, which will fall image on but let us call it, what should I name now? A, I have named that as B, then others I will name C, C dash, D, D dash, and A, B, C, D, E, and F. They will not be images of each other. E and F will lie on mirror. Mirror is passing through.
AB.
Mirror is mirror in plane A, E, F, B. Mirror is in this entire plane. They, and which are at same potential? C and C dash, D and
D and D dash.
D dash. They are having same potential they are having same potential. Now you tell me.
CC dash and DD dash phase diagonals we can remove.
What are you saying?
CC dash and DD dash phase diagonals we can remove and join.
We can join these together.
Yes, sir. Then
We can join these points together. If I join these together, what I will be getting at last? I will be getting only one side network A and this is E. This side is C and comma C dash, and this side is D comma D dash, and this point is F, and here this point is B. How many resistance will lie between C and E and C dash and D? There are two resistances, both are connected together, so it became R by 2, R by 2. These all are R by 2 each, right? How many are between C and D? C and D is also R by 2 only. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. What about AE? AE is 1. AE is 1 because it is lying on the mirror. Similarly, FB is 1. Others are 1 by 2 across this also. Across both diagonals will be 1 by 2, 1 by 2 each. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 everywhere. That will be the network finally. I can
BC1.
bring it in one plane only, it seems, to make
Sir,
it easier.
across BC.
Across
FC, sir.
BC1.
B to C. We have two again, B to C and B to C dash.
Okay, sir.
And
There
it
are
is
two
included
again.
in R by 2.
One is along AB also,
And EF.
sir. One is along with you.
and EF also. E to F also I have to connect, and A to B also I have to connect. What is along AB?
By 2.
1 by
2.
Why 1 by 2? It is lying on the mirror. It is not 1 by 2, it is 1 only.
One next.
Similarly, the one which is connected between E and F, that
That
is
is also
also
one only.
1 by 2, also 1 by 2.
So once
Now we will open it up. Let us
Sir,
open it in one.
EF is along the mirror.
AB,
Sir.
AB and EF are one.
24 12 ohms are there now.
What?
EF is along the mirror, no, sir.
That's why F is also one only.
AB also, sir.
I am saying 1. I think I don't know what I was thinking. I wanted to take 1 only, but I don't know why I took. I was very well aware that it is on the mirror only, and I wanted to take 1. I don't know why I wrote 1 by 2. 1 and 1. Start from A and then go to C comma C dash, and other side you go to E, and other side you go to F here, and this is B, and above this brings C D D dash. Now let me tell you what is the situation between E and CC dash. How many are there between E and CC dash?
1 by
And
2.
1 by 2, sir.
Between A and DD dash. Between these all are 1 by 2, except A to F it is 1, and between A to B it is also 1. Remaining all are, I think, 1 by 2 only.
1 by 2.
1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2.
Sir, in question they given
AE,
phase
AE1, sir.
one loss.
Sir, A to E.
A to E is only
A to E and B to F is one.
B to F also one,
One
sir.
only, sir.
A to F is also 1 and B
B to
to
F
F is
F also one,
also
sir.
1. These are also on the mirror, right? Therefore, 4 restances on the mirror. 1, 1. These are not having any images. And you know what happened to one resistance here?
Symmetry.
Do you know about, are you aware of this thing? One resistance became like this. Because even there was one resistance between C and D. When C and C dash, when I connect them, then it became like this. There is no current flowing through these. I can just remove these resistances here, which are between C and C dash and which are between D and D dash. Those are just removed only. Okay. Anyway, now tell me what to do for this again. Is there any symmetry now? I think there is still symmetry.
So we can
I can take one
join
mirror
C and
again.
remove.
If I take one mirror again here, then I can say that D dash and C dash are at
With same potential.
same potential. If they are at same potential, then we can
Cut the circuit.
is there anything between them that we can remove?
Sir, half, one half.
And we can join these two together. If I join together, will it help us? Or removing will help us? Let us check once. If I remove it now, by
Is better, sir.
joining is better. By symmetry, D dash and C dash are also at same potential. They are also at same potential. So if I join them together, then I will be getting so many will come now again in this. Let me know this one and this one. This one was 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1. 1. And we will not take the mirror one. That will be going. So how to correct now after joining?
Sir, we can remove connection from ECC-F to AB, no, sir.
Yes, that we can do, right?
That is only
And we
this,
can
sir.
similarly remove this one
joins,
also.
D
We
dash
can
also
remove this
can
connection also.
Then we
That
can
removing is
parallelize
better here.
this. Yes, sir.
Here, best thing is to remove, I think. So we will then take. Shiva, you got it very fast in the beginning. How did you do that? Huh?
Then joins you can remove it.
No, I'm asking how did you do that? In the same way only?
I didn't see
You got
this
answer
question
right.
answer, sir. Not, I was telling this before question answer.
Okay, I got your point. You were telling before question answer.
Sir. Get one right, so that's what I meant. 8 by 3.
Then this we are getting it as this one here, and then this one, and then this one, and here this A, B. Correct. It was better to remove. I am removing it here and I am bringing it into one place only. So what we are getting then 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1. This is 1. This was already 1. Similarly, 1, 1, 1. And this is also 1. This is also 1. Finally, they end up becoming all 1.
1 by 3.
3, 1 by 3.
1 by 3 plus 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 1 by
7 by 3.
7 by 3 and
1 by 3. 1 by 3.
7 by
Up to 7
3
by 3,
and
sir. Down 1 by
1.
3.
Then it is becoming finally
7 by 24.
7 by 24.
7 by 24.
7 by 24.
Yes, sir.
Sir, in question they
Sir,
given
all
phase
resistances are not equal, sir.
not equal, no, all resistance.
Oh, why do you have to say this at the last only? Really? Oh my God.
That there itself I told you.
When did you tell me? I did not hear.
That when you are saying that A to E,
Phase
A to
diagonals
F
are not-
is 1.
Okay, then let us go back again. Anyway, we did one problem. Now we have to do another problem. Means it is the problem of equal resistances we
resistors.
did already.
Sir, in place of 1 by 2, we can just put 1 by 4.
4, sir.
Wait a second. This is 24. Where is 24? Edge is 20.
6.
Oh, yes. In fact, I knew it in the beginning. I lost somewhere in between. In the beginning, I only myself did this, that these are all equal and sides are equal, but
We can take R and R by 2 now also, sir. We can multiply with 24 later.
so what we are going to do now because of these body diagonals, where is the body diagonals going? Finally.
A to DD dash 1 by 4.
Anyway, otherwise also the method which I adopted was very
We can
bad.
do, sir. We can do that.
Wait a second. Wait, no, not that. I know how to do it. This last method was really very bad. Let me do it by a simple way. First of all, forget the diagonal distances. And if there are no diagonal distances, then what would be the case? Then we will have this point which I named as C, and C dash will be same. And this third one also will be same. We can prove it, right, or not? D
D and D dash.
No, we can't do that. Sorry. We cannot say these are same. This is C and C dash only, and this is D and D dash. Here it is Z. I can only say this much, that C and E are at C and C dash are at same potential, D and D dash are at same potential. And I cannot say that any other thing. Now, in between all resistances are 1 by 2 each. If I open it up, I think here, wait a second, we are going in the same way again. If I open it up, then we will be getting, where are the diagonal ones? These are the diagonal ones, right? These are the
So
diagonal
we'll
ones.
get them as 1 by 4.
So all diagonal ones we will be getting as 1 by 4 here. So let me put this as 1 by 4, 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 1 by 4.
So that is half only, sir, at the top.
Sir, EF, AB, sir.
E to D will be half
Huh?
only. E to D
E
and
to F. E to F will not be 1 by 4, will it be? No, it will not be, right?
1 by 2 only, sir.
This upper one is not diagonal. This is 1 by 2 only. 1 by 2 only, 1 by 2 only. Now we are getting then. Now which one we are removing? This one we are removing. And this one we are removing. If we remove this, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 will be 1 by 2. So I will be getting one of these as 1 by 2. And here also I will be getting similarly one of these as 1 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Just one affected and remaining all same. So
Sir,
finally 1
EF
by
and
2
AB
plus 1 plus
directly
1.
joining 1 by 2.
Sir,
EF and
AB directly joining.
E to F, this one is 1 by 2.
Yes, sir. Top and bottom.
This is also diagonal one. 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, correct. That is also 1 by 2 and this side also is 1 by 2. So finally we
Sir,
got it
not
as
that. Sir.
So D to F also 1 by
Not
2.
that, sir. EF and AB. Sir.
AB.
Up and down
Where is
curves,
AB
sir.
going?
Up and down curves.
D is
Sir,
Oh,
bottom one.
directly joining one, right? Directly
Right,
joining
sir.
one, not this one. Directly joining is, this side is directly joining and this side is directly joining. So finally, there are two 1 by 2, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 will give us what?
1 by 5 we get, sir, at the top.
1 by 4, sir. 1 by 4, 1, 1.
1 by
1 by 4, sir.
1 by 2 in parallel with 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 in parallel with 1.
1 by 5, sir, it is.
1 by 5.
5 by 4, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 by 5 plus 2.
It will be 11 by 5, sir.
1 by 5.
11 by 5.
And below is
1 by 5.
1 by 5. Then it is overall 11, 1, 11, 1, 11,
11 by
12.
60, sir. 11 by 60.
11 by 60.
Yes.
That is the answer. Shiva,
Again into 24, no, sir.
Into 24.
Shiva, you have that book.
Sir.
We know that this was actually R, so it is 11 by 16 to R, and R was equal to
24.
24. So we are getting resistance finally as 12 5s are 60, 12 2s are 24,
22 by 5.
22 by 5.
Till
Shiva
the
wants-
question number, sir.
Question number was 13, I think.
Sir,
But I
देखिए
don't know
seven,
it is from which question, because there are two series there. One is build up your understanding, another one is check your understanding. It is one of
Build up,
those.
sir. Build up.
Build up
देखिए
your
7,
understanding. They gave answer as
7.
7. Then it is all wrong till now. Okay, do one thing. Quickly just have a look at the other answers which we arrived at.
Sir, the
Question number
first
14.
process was correct, sir. From the first process, we get 7 by 24, sir. Into 24, 7 will come, sir.
My first plan
Uh,
is 7, sir.
No, first you again verify. Question number 14. What is the answer for that? Is it 3? Check it quickly in that book. Yes.
Sir,
Sir, 3, sir. 3, sir. 14 is 3. only.
Question number 7 is okay. 4R.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Then 19.
7th question देखिए वो 1 plus root 5 into R.
Yes, sir. 7th one is different.
7th one is not same.
हाँ sir.
It is R, and it is RR. I think then this part also has net. Sorry, I think I ignored that part completely. That part is also there, it seems. It will have its own resistance. So, which may not be
There-
infinite.
At beside A, one point there, it will divide nothing current.
Yes, I think it is not infinite only. It will be, yes, it will be going, right?
19th
So-
one we are getting right, sir.
Wait, let me check once what it will be. It will be like this, R here, and then it is dividing. And how is it dividing? We don't know, but we can take like this here. This one, and this one is X, R, and it is R, A, B. What is X? X we have to find out separately. That we can find like not X. I think I should take this. There will be 3 terminals here, so I have to take X and Y. Or I will do one thing. I will take this point as C, and the middle point I will take as D. I will take resistance between this.
Sir, why
We
can't
can-
you?
Sir, I am having no idea, sir.
Wait a second. Just this one, this one, this one. This is the network which we are having actually. All these stars can be converted into corresponding. This star, no, then the next one is not star then. If it is star taken here, then the other one will not be star. So this also we cannot do directly easily. But if I take alternatively star and star, then we can do again same thing. One resistance we will keep in between like that only, and then the other ones are this way, R here, and then again this, and R here. So it is R, 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 and this is R, this is R. This way it will be finally. Will it be of help? Not much.
I think we need to do only the infinite ladders.
Huh?
The infinite ladder.
Again, it will be in infinite ladder network. Infinite ladder network method we can use, right?
Yes, sir. But as
So
it is
for
infinity, can't be divided into half, sir. That is symmetric. For one part, we can find resistance, and another will be in series with it.
we can do that. We can
Yes, sir.
find between which points, which
From
is
half
A
we
and
can divide under. Yes, sir. A and B we can find, and B and B will be the same as well.
yes, we can do that. D and B will be same as.
A and B resistance, and that too we get in series.
But this is a connection here in between. Are you noticing that or not? We cannot just divide between A and D. But we can follow infinite ladder method. That is true. We can do like this here. R, and here it is. Let us say X, Y,
Sir, why did you write like that?
why did we?
The
Right,
pattern is same only.
directly
Na.
after you write X.
The pattern is same only. Na.
Pattern is same as, right?
Right
can't
angle,
divide
right angle,
by
right
X.
angle.
There are 3 terminals in this network. C, D, and here also it is there. So I have to connect here also. How can I just remove this lower one? You want me to do like this only? We cannot do it like this. If you think like that way, we cannot do that. There is a connection below also. If I do this way only, just wait a second. This way, this way, this way, this, and then at last here. Let us take A and this point as midpoint as M here. What is between A and M if I find out? Ignoring this point here. Because no current will be flowing to this side otherwise also. No current flows this side. Huh? I'm taking the midpoint somewhere as M.
So that's what
Midpoint I'm taking as M. Then it is a what kind of network it is now? It is again R. It is becoming R by 2 in parallel with R. Then in series with
That is infinite only, sir. Again,
2 R's. 2 R in parallel with R. Then again with R. It is infinite only, yes, right?
Then why can't we do directly x and we can take it as x again?
Which you want to take as X?
Take the same, sir. In fact, I wanted to solve this as an infinite problem.
Right,
We'll
that way
take
we can
this
do.
as x.
Right.
I was getting sir R into 1 plus 2.
That way we can do, right? So A to M we can get as, what is A to M?
We can take it as x and
It is X. Then again X. What we are getting from that?
we get x equals to R into 1 plus root 5 by 2, sir.
R into 1 plus root 5
Root
we are
5
getting
by 2, sir. That means we are
By
finding
2.
only for 1/2, no, sir.
1/2. Similarly for the other half,
Other half, they will be in series, just so it will be 2 into that.
they will be in series only, right?
That's what, sir.
Getting them.
Sir, but another resistance is connected to this.
Yes, sir.
Where?
Again, 2 will be in series. Sir.
Again plus R we can do.
Again, which another is connected?
It's the same only 2.
A to M and M to B.
Both will be of same.
This is X and this is also X. So total became A to B became 2X. I'm ignoring this terminal here, which was creating a problem for me. I know that actually this C is also there here. Here in between there's one terminal here, right? That terminal I'm completely ignoring while we reach in the middle. Reason is we know the current gets divided every time. If the current gets divided every time, then don't you think the current will keep on becoming diminishingly so small that at last there will be no current going to this side. Current will be finally going to this side only. Every time, see, some current goes to this side and remaining goes to this side, then goes to this side, remaining goes to this side. So current has more tendency to go directly towards the short circuit as compared to go to that side. So after every step, the current going to this side will become almost zero. So current will be mainly going to this side only. It means if there is no current going to this side, I can just remove it. I can remove it from the middle. Main idea was this. I can remove it from the middle here. Once I'm able to remove it from the middle, then I can separately take it as if it is one part instead of the second part, connected only through one side. That is the short circuit side. As if it is connected between this two short circuit and as if it is separately connected between these two short circuit. Therefore, I can solve it by. Then answer would be X and X in series. That is 2X. What is the answer given?
R into 1 plus root 5 only, sir. Right, sir.
Right only.
R into 1.
Then answer is R into 1 plus root 5. That is answer. Okay. You got this point?
Sir.
Yes.
So between A to C.
When
one
we are
resistor
finding
is
this
there.
1 plus root 5 by 2, we are taking their reminding that first RR, next we are taking X now, sir.
The diagram you need to have X. R is first and X we take after that.
For up to M, we are taking the way we normally do.
Yes, sir.
R
and X, sir.
And X here. It is A and it is midpoint M.
A to M is also again X.
A to M is again X. Okay.
And similarly, with B also same only now.
Yes, similarly with B also we are doing the same thing only. Means I am removing it in. I'm finding from A to B and then separately I'm finding from B to A to M and separately from M to B. And then adding both in series. Okay.
Yes.
Right.
19th it's scale right on this. What you got?
Next we have 19th is okay.
Okay, sir. Right on this answers.
Then we have come to 13. This was okay.
Right, sir. 8 by 3.
Then come to this. This one has a problem. Huh? What is the answer for this?
Sir, answer is given 7.
And again in first process we got 7 by 24 and in 24 we'll get 7, sir.
But first process was clearly wrong because there the resistances were. I have taken all equal. Why is it coming out to be 22 by 5? or maybe it might be mistake also. They are getting 77 by 24, which we were getting by taking all resistances to be equal, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Maybe they have taken equal. Okay, I will verify it. Maybe I will ask my colleagues
We can
also
also
what they
try
got.
sir today again.
You also try, and I will
Yes,
also
sir.
verify with my colleagues whether we are getting this on only or not. All right, it may be mistake also maybe. Next we have this one. No, this is already done. This is already done.
Sir, in the previous sum, once explain the joining of connections.
Joining of
You join in the cube sum, sir.
joining.
Yes, sir.
I joined C with C dash. Clearly we can join because this is the mirror here. Object and its image. Similarly, D and D dash we can join. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right.
So we can take afternoon again.
Huh?
Take afternoon again.
Afternoon class I can take.
Yes, sir.
Only you are already 25 minutes late.
What time?
8:30.
8:30.
8:30, sir.
Okay.
We started class late.
Okay, then I can take afternoon. Right, I can end it here now.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
Sure.
sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.